Hi everyone and welcome to the section 4 of the Google Cloud online course. Okay, so now this particular section will be oriented towards building a full stack project, and once we build a full stack project, that is when we can use each and every aspect that we have developed until this point, where now we have the ability to learn a new programming language, we have the ability to create RESTful APIs, we have the ability to create new cloud functions. Now we can create websites which we can host on Google Cloud. And after doing all of this, now we also need to work on some more aspects in this particular session. Okay, so with this, as you can see from these images, the main three concepts which we will be looking at in this section is first of all Google Cloud, then Cloud Functions, and then JavaScript. So just like we learned Python in one day in the previous section, in a similar fashion, we will be learning JavaScript in one day in this section. Okay, so with this, let's move on towards the section deliverables. Okay, so in this particular section, we will be looking at creating a product which can be used in order to perform or work around a certain task. So first of all, the first deliverable in this particular section will be to summarize Google Cloud Functions. So in the previous section, we have looked at what exactly is Cloud Function, how do you create a Cloud Function, how do you deploy a Cloud Function. But in this particular section, we will be focusing on adding one more aspect to Cloud Functions, which is called CORS. And after adding that particular aspect, then we can conclude with Cloud Functions. Then we will understand the concept of CORS. So CORS is a very important terminology used in networking. Then we will implement CORS headers in our own project. And after implementing CORS headers, then we will be learning the JavaScript language. So in order to learn the JavaScript language, we need to understand some basic key aspects of that particular language, and after understanding those key aspects, that is when we can focus on learning that language and then applying it to solve some problems. Then we will be creating a very simple HTML boilerplate which will be used as a demo website, and everything will be built from scratch. So then we will be making some client-side requests to Cloud Functions. So we will be building a Cloud Function, and then we will be also making client-side requests to this particular Cloud Function. Then we will be making client-side requests to an external source, and this is a very interesting external source which we will be shortly looking at. Then we will be creating HTML objects by using the JavaScript console or using the script tag, and with this we can dynamically show object on the screen. After that, we can understand what exactly is meant by a full stack development approach. Okay, so with this, by the end of this particular section, I want to give a firm understanding of what exactly is meant by a full stack development approach, where you can create a valid front end, then you can create a very simple backend or a middleware, and after doing that, you can create websites which can actually be used by someone. Okay, so with this, let's get started on the very first aspect.